to unbox the brand new Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom Collector's Edition. I know, super cool. Let's go. I can't even. Okay. There's two boxes in here. A box inside of a box. I think I opened it upside down. You know what? Okay. Huh. I opened it upside down. Okay. So we got the oh my goodness. What? We got the game. And what is it? And we got the fancy game version. It's just a case. And see, it's just a case. In the game. And what is this? Oh, there's the pins. Okay. Put this over here. And oh, the art book. And the page. Wow. Very cool art book. And what is this? Upside down. Oh, steel poster. And it comes with instructions on how to use a steel poster. I know, so surprising. And the steel poster itself. Whoa. Whoa. That is very cool. And yeah, I think that's everything inside. Yeah, that's it. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
This strange gloom keeps getting thicker.